Check out the GMC Sport El Camino. Try to not get my shadow in there. But this is a rare truck. It's a GMC Sport. Of course, it looks like a Chevy, but GMC just had a little bit more luxuries in it. But this is, I mean, words can't even express how clean this thing is. What a beauty, man. Beautiful car, man. Beautiful truck. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers is my goal. I'm at 200 right now, trying to keep it going. Thank you for viewing and have a very nice day. I'm gonna have to get the other side of this truck again, man. The color is just, it's unbelievable, man. It's a beautiful color, man.